Hello dear viewers, it's Dr. Budgie again. As you can see above, many lovebirds from all over the world are gathered here. Why? To eat my delicious salad that made from carrots and cabbage. Seeing these beautiful budgies reminds me of the Amazon jungle. If you also receive this beautiful piece and wonderful scenes, please like this video. Why? Because it's improved the condition of these birds. Their living condition is so poor, I have no money to buy food for them. Thank you. Okay, I'm waiting here and watch these budgies with you. They are so beautiful. I'm also waiting for you to like this video. Oh my god. Şuna bir